So I'm gonna turn the wheel. Listen to the noise. I know some of it is the the ball joint. So I know about that. I'll get that replaced soon. But listen. Sounds like a dying cat. I don't know what the fuck that is. I already put power steering fluid. It's not working.